Hello and welcome to From Stuck to Strong. My name's James, and if you're here because your lower back is really painful, maybe you're struggling to move, struggling to get comfortable, or even struggling to get out of bed, then this practice is for you. This is a short, gentle practice designed to bring some calm into the nervous system and introduce some safe, easy movement into the lower back, the hips and the spine. Nothing here should be painful, and you're encouraged to move less and not more. So take your time, listen to your body, and let's start by coming down onto your back. Come down onto your back, slowly, taking it nice and easy. Use your elbows for support as you lower yourself down onto the mat. Bend into the knees, take your feet about the width of the mat, and allow the knees to gently rest together. This position helps reduce tension through the lower back. Place both hands onto the belly. Lengthen the back of the neck by gently tucking the chin, and then allow the body to settle into the mat. For the first part of this practice, we're simply using the breath to relax the lower back, the hips and the pelvis. Bring your awareness to any areas of discomfort or pain without trying to change anything, so just noticing what's there. Also notice where the mind goes. You might become aware of thoughts or stories around the pain, why this happened, how long it's been here, or worries that it might never change. If those thoughts arise, just simply notice them and then bring your attention back to the body resting here on the mat. And now we'll begin to use the breath to encourage relaxation. We're going to inhale and exhale for a slow count of 4, inhaling through the nose and allowing the belly to rise, and then exhaling through the mouth, sighing it out and allowing the lower back and hips to soften. So we'll start by emptying the lungs, and then inhale 2, 3, 4, and then exhale, sighing through the mouth, relaxing into the mat. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale into the belly, 3, 4. Exhale with a sigh and allow the back and hips to relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and inflate the belly like a balloon, and then exhaling, sighing through the mouth and relaxing into the back. So 2 more like this at your own pace. With each exhale, inviting the body to feel a little heavier, a little more supported. 1 more breath. And then allow the breath to come back to its natural rhythm as we move into some gentle hip rotations. So when you're ready, bring the feet and the knees to hip width apart, and then draw the right knee into the chest with your right hand on the knee, and then begin some gentle and slow hip circles. Not moving through any pain, just allowing this movement to release into the hip and into the lower back. So small movements, 6 to 8 circles in one direction, and then change direction, 6 to 8 circles in the other. Breathing is free, keep the belly relaxed. And then let go of the right knee, lower the foot back down to the mat. and the same on the other side. So bring the left knee into the chest, take hold of the knee with the left hand, and then slow circles, 6 to 8 circles in one direction, keeping the body relaxed, breathing into the belly. And then 6 to 8 circles in the other direction, keeping the hips relaxed. And then release the knee, take the foot back down to the mat. Bring your hands down next to the hips, palms face down. Take a couple of breaths here. And we're going to gently move the spine using the breath. On the next inhale, allow the belly to lift and create a soft arch into the lower back. And as you exhale, gently draw the belly in and let the lower back melt towards the mat. So a few more like this. Inhaling to arch the spine and exhaling to pull the belly in and round. And this is not about the range of motion, it's simply about movement. So discomfort is okay, but pain is not. So stay well within what feels safe. Another few rounds of breath. Inhaling to fill the belly and gently arch the spine, and then exhaling to allow the lower back to move towards the mat, gently squeezing into the belly. Any pain whatsoever, reduce the movement. This is just about easing the body gently back to health and encouraging some blood flow. 2 more rounds like this. And then coming back to stillness, allowing the spine to come back to neutral. Moving into some gentle twists to help the lower back release. Extend the arms out to the sides, a bend at the elbows is fine. And on an exhale, slowly lower both knees over to the left, keeping the right shoulder relaxed on the mat, and you can complete the twist by very gently looking over the right shoulder. If this feels too strong, you can start to straighten the legs until you find a comfortable position. And breathing here for a few slow breaths, allowing the spine to gently rotate. If there's any pain at all, just ease off in the twist. We're here for another couple of breaths. Try to relax the body as much as possible. Then we're going to very slowly and carefully come back to center. Squeeze the belly and inhale. Carefully bring the knees back to center. Then exhale, lower the knees down to the right. Keep the left shoulder on the mat. Finding the right twist for your body today. Turn the head gently to the left to complete the twist if that feels comfortable. And then relaxing here as much as possible. Breathe into the belly. Allow the exhale to relax the body. Coming back to center, carefully squeeze the belly and inhale, bring the knees back up. And then take the feet as wide as the mat and allow the knees to rest together again. Hands return to the belly. Breathing naturally. Taking your awareness to the body. The weight of the body on the mat. And know that pain is not permanent. This is a phase, and movement, awareness, and patience are part of the way forward. This gentle work is the first step. And from here, once your body is ready, comes more mobility, more strength, and more confidence in your body again. Now stay here as long as you like, or slowly begin to rejoin your day. And I'll see you on the next session from Stuck to Strong.